Hi, it's Denise Mai, and I've got this new listing here located at Jasmine. This building is a 56-unit developed by award-winning developer Aragon Properties. It's located here at 405 Skeena Street, located right by Highway 1, Hastings. You've got everything that you need. Right around the corner is P&E, Playland. Let me give you a tour. The vibrant East Vancouver downtown neighborhood of the affordable Vancouver Condo Jasmine Apartments features ample activities and entertainment options. Young couples and families will enjoy the community atmosphere, protected green space, and nearby schools. Welcome to the Jasmine. This is your home. It's a beautiful 2 bedrooms, 2 bathroom home located here at Skeena. This open concept kitchen is amazing because you've got these beautiful dark granite countertops, double mount under sink, a great faucet. You also got a LG stainless steel fridge, plus a Whirlpool dishwasher. And you have a gas range right behind me that's included in your maintenance fees. This unit is perfect, compact, and great for entertaining. While people downsizing will enjoy Jasmine Vancouver Condo's low maintenance lifestyle and convenient location. What I love about this unit is there's zero wasted square footage. You come on through, there's no hallways, so you absolutely see this beautiful open concept that you have. You can have a dining room table here, a living room here, and this space is so flexible to do what you want. I love the fireplace accent and especially the details that you have surrounding the fireplace. Right behind me is the balcony. Plus, you have a view of the North Shore Mountains. You can see a beautiful mountain view every day throughout the year. What more can you ask for? For those who find downtown Vancouver real estate too expensive, the affordable Vancouver condos here at Jasmine in East Vancouver are a perfect fit. This complex also offers a private amenity room and gym, as well as a storage locker and underground parking. And here is your master bedroom. You've got this beautiful layout that I absolutely love because you have both bedrooms on either side, which separates and gives you both privacy. This room can fit a queen or even a king-size bed. And you have closets on both sides, his and hers. This place is perfect if you're a first-time home buyer or even an investor. And here is your master bathroom. You've got a soaker tub right behind me, a standing shower right behind this door, and again, you have the dark granite accents with the beautiful white cabinets underneath. This can be your spa oasis. And welcome to your patio. This is great for summer times as well as it's covered, so it's great for during the cold winter months as well. You've got a beautiful view of the North Shore Mountains right behind me, and location is impeccable. You're right off of Highway 1, Hastings Community Center is right around the corner, plus P&E, Playland. You're only 15 minutes to downtown or to Burnaby. This is what you're waiting for. If you'd like to take a look, feel free to contact me. My name is Denise Mai. I'm more than happy to set up a viewing with you.